Wait for the thing to turn excellent. Excellence. So I'm late for 30 minutes. Okay, focus. Focus on me. Focus. Hello. Okay, focus. I'm gone for 30 minutes. I'm late for 30 minutes. If this is my tea. It's a Taiwanese tea. This tea. It is crazy. It is crazy good. So I have like this, a teacup, which, ooh, hot. Need to, you know, ooh, get the tea in first, and then you need to wash the thing. Okay, I should wash before I put tea, but I already put tea, so I'm just gonna waste some of the tea. Like there's shit inside, so I'm getting all the thermal energy out. Okay. แล้วเราก็จะเช็ดนะเราก็จะเช็ดแก้ว It's good. Now this is the real deal. You open the thing, you pour the stuff. It's crazy hot. We just pour that. It is enough. And you won't drink it because it's super hot. It's like super hot. You can see from the fucking vapors and shit. Like man, just look at the shit, bro. It's like it's gonna kill me. So you're you're gonna wait. I'm gonna do my physics. Where am I gonna do my physics? To be honest, I want to do it on the wall, but I'm here streaming, so I'm gonna do in like I'm gonna have to, keep like the thing, keep my iPad, and now it's time for me to use this. A a mouse pen thing. I have a fucking seal. You don't have to move. Painful as fuck. Okay, I'm gonna connect this to this thing now. Boop. Okay, and with that, I'm gonna do my shit in the PowerPoint and then copy it down into the thing later. Which I need to get my super pen, which is this pen. Ooh. Okay, to be honest, I'm a bit sleepy, so that's why I go make this one. This is hot. Or I'm blowing. I'm not drinking. I'm afraid to drink it because it's too hot. It's not too hot. I'm scared. Okay, I'm too scared. Damn, I'm such a pussy. I'm scared to fucking drink this. Like it is crazy, yo. Like it is crazy. I'm gonna remove the thermal energy by rubbing my hands so the heat transferred to the cold, right? Yeah, the hot transferred to the cold. Hmm. Hmm. It's hot, but okay. I hope I get like a bit better now. And then the next batch, I'm not trying to, you know, blow it. I'm just gonna try to, let it be and then drink it later. I'm just gonna put it on my table. Oh, I dropped my bowl of fucking strawberries. To be honest, I want to play cards for a bit, but it's a bit late. Okay, let's see. We're gonna get this down to a normal size, to a small size. Just kidding, to this size. When you have this, you go here. I'm watching that, right, by the way, and I'm doing this. Anchor homework. This one I'm done. Both of these I'm done. I have that left. Wheel. I'm gonna open PowerPoint. I'm gonna write here physics work. I'm just gonna erase it. Is there a way to like easily erase it? Like I can like click something. Like can I like just do that and I can select? Yeah, that is stupid. I'm just gonna, erase all of this shit. Okay, so if we're looking at the thing, this page 286 to 287 do 22 to 224. Oh, 22 Jan 234. So it's today. And 11 to 31. Odd. Okay. So there's 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 question. Only 11 question. We're going to open the book. We'll close the line because we're not gonna use it anyway. We have this. No, we have this, this, this. Need this. Physics answers. Okay, come up and the physics book, which also come up. So the physics book right now we're learning thermal energy, pressure. That's it, pressure. What chapter are we? 8? We're at chapter 9, right? Pressure and shit, isn't it? The fuck? 257, 286. Ooh, the fucking fish problem. I hate those. 286? But it's chapter 10. Like what chapter is this? It's chapter 10. Ooh, 286. Ooh, it is correct. Okay, I'm gonna use the snipping tool. Hmm. So number 11. To be honest, I have nothing. I have no knowledge about this. So, mm, please spare me. I'll try to, write everything I know. Let me get my physics notebook. Okay, I know about pressure. The pressure is like the low. No, it's okay. It's low D something. HPG. I got some sort of that. The proving, the motion. Shit, the fucking seal really hurts. Yes, the motion, the density is low, not D. Okay, okay. Calculate the total force of the atmosphere, I think, on the top of the table. Okay, if I need to think about that, it's at calculate the okay, a we have a very shitty table right here. Okay, maybe make it a better. Make it a better table for a bit, you know. Hmm. Okay, this is a table, and on top there's a atmosphere acting on the top of the table that measure. Let me write it beautifully, okay? Okay. Ca ca Calculate the total force of the atmosphere. So, so in A, right? F equals something we don't know, but we know calculate the total force of the atmosphere acting on the top of the table that measure. Isn't it that? The fuck? Um, number 11A. F equals PA. The total would be the air pressure times the area of the table. Wait, okay, I'll read it again. I didn't understand the do it thing, so I can figure it out. It's like calculate the force of the atmosphere acting on the top of the table. The top of the table that measured this. That is not the atmosphere. It is the top of the table. Is there a way to like, god. Okay, okay, okay. Atmosphere เท่ากับอะไรไม่รู้ but we know that that is the size of the table. Now we need to look at the first thing. So you know that P is equal to F over A. We know that A is 1.7 times 2.6 m. Yeah, that is the thing. We don't know the pressure. We don't know anything. How the fuck are we going to calculate that? Find the total atmosphere pressure. So F equals PA. So F is equal to the fuck is this? And that is that. This is the A. Where the fuck do we get P? Air pressure. So do I need to go and like, oh my god, what is air pressure? Thirty to 35 years. เท่านี้ PA 1.1 1.13คูณ10อ๋อนี่คือกูต้องรู้เหรอคือกูต้องรู้คือกูต้องรู้ใช่ไหมโอเคอืมสมมุติว่ากูไม่รู้เลยอ่ะกูไม่รู้แล้วแล้วกูเสิร์ชอ่ะ
So for the first part of the problem, we just have to remember atmospheric pressure, which is 1.013 times 10 to the power of 5 newtons per meter squared. In this case, we're dealing with air pressure, so we'll use the value for atmospheric pressure, which is 1.0.
โอเคต้องจำหาไม่ได้เอาปากกามาดิไอ้เหี้ย
13 times 10 to the power of 5.
Okay, that is the air pressure 1.013 1.013คูณ10ยกกำลังห้า1.013คูณ10ยกกำลังห้า Okay, so if I knew that, we can say that F is equals to 1.013คูณ10ยกกำลังห้าคูณกับ1.7คูณกับ2.6ซึ่งกูก็ต้องทำใช่ไหมโอเคโอเคกูอยากเขียนให้มันเล็กลงวะเนี่ย maybe like oh shit I do all of this and can I like เออเอ้ยง่ายดีเว้ยเฮีย where's my calculator what where the fuck is my calculator oh Bami have my calculator well it's good that I have a second calculator but it's a shitty ass calculator but it's fine but it's a very shitty ass calculator though. But of course, it can connect the fucking 1.013 times 10 ไม่ได้อะมึงได้แค่ power of 3อะ Oh my god, this calculator sucks. I'm using my phone. What the fuck? Okay, so put me on lip 1.013 times 10 to the power of, where is to the power of in photo math? To the power of 5 times 1.7 times 2.6. Where's the an x? 47746 something? 4.5 times 10 ยกกำลัง 5. Why is there an x? I don't I don't understand the photo math. Okay, I'm taking a picture of this. Yeah, okay. So it's like, so the answer is 4.5 times 10 power of 5, and that is part A. โอ้โหไม่ตรงให้แบบใน iPad ด้วยไอ้เหี้ยมึงหมุนได้ปะวะหมุนดีเหี้ยอ่ะช่างแม่งกูไม่เอาละขีดโง่ๆอย่างเงี้ยแหละ B. What is the total force acting upward on the underside of the table? อ้าวก็ NR ไงไอ้เหี้ยมึงก็ต้องเป็นมึงก็เหมือนเดิมมา4.5คูณ10ยกกำลัง5ป่ะอ่ะโอเคเย้เสร็จข้อ11แล้วใช้เวลาชาติกว่าไอ้เหี้ยว้าข้อ13โจทย์โคตรยาวอ่ะน่ากลัวเหี้ยทาซานมึงอีกแล้วเหรอโคตรเกลียดเลยไอ้เหี้ย In the movie Tarzan evade his captor by hiding under the water for many seconds while breathing through long thin reed, assuming the maximum pressure difference assume assuming the maximum pressure difference his lung can manage is to breathe is 35 mm Hg. Calculated the deepest he could have been. So this will introduce us the pressure in water, which the pressure in water. Okay, I will draw. So like num tic tac. ไม่เป็นรูปนี่โง่เฮี้ยๆเลย Okay, so we know that pressure. เฮี้ยทำไม P สวยจังวะ P อ๋อเฮี้ย P พี่กูสวยมากเลยอะปั๊บปั๊บปั๊บเฮ้ยพีพีพีกูเขียนเฮี้ยไงก็สวย P R E F F U R E โอเค pressure จะเท่ากับ depth โอเคกูไม่เขียนละกูจะเขียนแค่ P P เท่ากับ HP HPG ซึ่งPG โอเคกูต้องเลื่อนไปอีกหน้าหนึ่งมันจะมี proof อยู่ว่า P เท่ากับ HPG เนี่ย P เท่ากับ DPG D okay okay let's just slash D which is the density we won't use the height we will use as a low pH low GH the P what does this P stand for again depth well, the P is always low the density the gravity and the height right density gravity and depth which is height and with that we can see that it is that thing so P is F over A blah 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 oh that is finding the buoyant force okay but it's fine this is you know the fucking shitty ass okay assuming that the maximum pressure difference in this lung ก็คือ pressure มันเป็นได้เท่านี้เพราะฉะนั้น P เท่ากับ85 D ก็คือ9.8ถึงเปลี่ยนไม่ได้ height เนี่ยเปลี่ยนได้ส่วน D ก็คือ density เราต้องหา density of water do we need to know the density of water pressure P G at low GH low GH low GH H oh yeah man yeah H is equal to P G we know P oh we know G we don't know low low is 85 why well why we have that one why what what I don't understand this shit again well I'm going to hell
So the pressure difference on the lungs is the same as the pressure change from the depth of water. Now recall that the formula for a pressure difference
เสียงเขาโค
due
ตรหล่อ
to
เลยยัด
a
แม่
change in height of a fluid is equal to the density of the fluid times the gravitational acceleration times the change in height. Now in this problem, we're looking for how deep he could have been, so we're looking for that height difference.
change the height
So we
yeah.
algebraically solve this equation for delta H by dividing both sides of the equation by rho g. And that's the equation
Oh, wait. So H. Oh, so divided by those. Okay.
we'll use.
Oh, well, that's why. Okay. So this is the gravity. How did you know that this is the law? Okay. The for the P, I have no idea
So we'll
how.
just plug in the variables that were
Okay.
given to us in the problem.
Okay.
Okay.
H, we don't
So the
know.
pressure, the maximum pressure that he can withstand, is negative 85 millimeters of mercury.
Okay, that is his. Okay. So now it's changing H is equals change in P. No, I mean, yeah. Change in height is equal to change in pressure over low. แม่งเขาเขียนลงไงวะ
The equation by rho g.
What the fuck? That is a shit. I wrote the most shitty ass low and the G. Okay. I have no idea. We don't know the H. The maximum pressure that he could stand is 85.
And that's the equation we'll use. So we'll just plug in the variable 85 by converting 1 millimeter of mercury is equal to 133. Let's convert this into SI units, though, by converting from millimeters of mercury into newtons per meter squared.
Do we? What is this? That's a pressure. Pressure is Pascal.
And so 1 millimeter and density grams per cubic meter.
You got that? He got that thing. So that is how you convert. Okay, so it's 113 Newton squared per one of that. So that's a lot. But how did you know? It should be like here. Damn. Oh my god, it's here. It's fucking here. So you use that to times with it, okay?
Multiplied by the gravitational acceleration, which is 9.8,
Wait, how did you know it's what?
divided by the density of the water, and density of water is about 1 times.
I need to remember the fucking density of the water? Do I? So not just the fucking pressure, but the density of the fucking water too. Damn. The tea is not hot anymore. I should add some hot tea for make it, hot. Damn, that's a TST. That's a TST color that I haven't ever seen. So good. I want more tea. I want a lot of tea in my house. Okay. Well,
Times 10 to the power of 3, or kilograms per cubic meter. multiplied by the gravitational acceleration, which is 9.8 meters per second squared.
Okay, we need to change that to just m, right? To Newton m squared. Squared? Yeah, Newton m squared. So, okay. M H G times 133 Newton m squared divided by the low, which is the low of the water, which is 1 times 10 power of 3, and the 9.81. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Oh shit, I forgot. I cannot write fucking symbols. Negative 85 times 113, 133 divided by 1 times 10 3, 9.81. The photomass says it's negative 1.1. Yeah, so it's correct. So the answer 1.15. Negative 1.15. Okay, that is cool. We learned that we need to, remember tons of stuff. Ooh, number 15. ก็ยังเป็น2 ขีด look okay. Not that, you know, shitty ass. The Gauss pressure in each of the 4 tires for an automobile is that kilopascal. Okay, if the tire have a footprint of that, okay, that's the area of touching the ground, estimate of mass of the car. We don't really know the mass, except if we look at this, you can know that, oh, but that's with water though. Let's see, can I find it? So, that's a very shitty ass circle. I do agree. So, a wheel, that that's a most shitty ass wheel. I won't draw it. So the area is 190 cm squared, and the 4 tires, the P is equals to 240 kilopascal, which kilo means 3, right? Kilopascal to 1 pascal, K kPa to PA. 1 kilopascal is 1000 pascal. Yeah, so, times 100. Song C. Soon. Soon, soon, soon. That is Pascal. Okay, so you know that P is equals to F over A. Maybe you can find the force. Oh wait, oh maybe that's how it works. And we bring a there, so f is equals to p over a, and now f it's equal to 240,000 out of 190. The fucking okay. Let's see if this is the force acting on the tire. Let me open my photomat. Let's see. What is this? What?มึง reduce infraction ให้กูมึงไม่บอกกูมีค่าเท่าไหร่วะ240,000หารด้วย190โอเค f จะเท่ากับ1263.2จุด16ซึ่ง if that's f is equals to ma, we don't know a, we know f, we also don't know a. What is the acceleration due to gravity? 9.81. So do we just, you know, 1263หาร9.81อ่ะ16ด้วยแถมอ่ะเพราะฉะนั้น mass ของมันเนี่ยมันจะอยู่ประมาณ128.76 128.76 15ไม่ใช่มึงได้เฮียอะไรนะเป็นไม่ได้เหรอวะโอเคว่ากูก็มีหลักการนะแต่โอเคถ้ามึงมีหลักการมากกว่ากูก็สอนกูซะเราจะก๊อปทั้งหมดนี้ย่อขนาดมันลงเอามันไปทิ้งตรงนี้ซะเป็นการทิ้งขี้โอเคไหนลองดูสิ so mg เนี่ยเท่ากับ cpa the sum of the force exerted by the pressure in each tire is equal to weight of the sum of the force exerted by the pressure is in each tire is equal to weight of the car. Oh, เขาถาม mass of the car, not mass of the tire. I'm finding the mass of the tire. Oh, that's why. Oh, that's the mass of the tire. But how 128.76 128.76คูณ4 515ไม่ก็ยังไม่ใช่ This is each tire. Oh, okay. My bad, bro. มันดึกแล้วอ่ะอ่ะโอ้ยร้อนจีผมจีด้วยเฮียโอเค mass of the car we finding mass of the เดี๋ยวเราต้องเริ่มขีดละโอเค m mc mass of the car จะเท่ากับ 4 views. Okay, so mg, okay, mg. So the weight is mg. This mass mg, yeah, mg is equals to for pa or for pay. So I'll choose C0อ๋อโอเค PA 1 M 2 4 10 CM 2ทำไมวะต้องแปลงหน่วยอ่ะมันต้องแปลงหน่วยอ่ะหน่วยไม่ได้ถูกหรอวะกิโลพาสกาลมึงก็คูณไปดิเย็ดแม่แล้วก็นี่อะไรอ่ะหน่วยมันถูกเอ้าเฮียอะไรอ่ะกูต้องดูคลิปอีกแล้วใช่ไหมโอ้ยกูไม่อยากเปิดคลิปกูอยากทำเองบ้างไอ้ห่ากูชอบพี่ไอ
So
พี่ไอ
because the
พี่คน
car
ขี้
has
เย
4 tires, that means that the total weight of the car is going to be equal to 4 times the pressure being exerted by just one tire. So 4 times the force from the pressure being exerted by one tire. And remember that the force due to pressure is equal to the magnitude of that pressure multiplied by the surface area over which it acts. That area being the footprint of the car, or the footprint of the
โอ้
tire, the space that the
เนี่ยไอ้เหี้ยอีแม่งไม่ได้แค่หล่อเสียงแม่งก็ไม่ได้แค่เพราะฉลาดด้วยเย็ดแม่เก่งวะทำไมเก่งงี้วะ force mg is equals to 4 pa ฉลาดฉ
tire
ลา
is
ด
actually pressing against when it's touching the ground. We're looking for the mass of the car, so we're just going to algebraically solve for mass by dividing both sides of the equation by g, and now let's just plug in the values that we have. So that's 4 times the pressure, and the pressure exerted by one tire is given as 240 kilopascals. So that's just 2.4 times 10 to the power of 5 pascals. Another way to write that would be 240 times 10 to the power of 3 pascals times the area of 190 squared centimeters. And then we'll want to convert from centimeters into meters. So that's 1 meter for 100 centimeters, and then square that because the units are squared. And then this is all being divided.
we don't need to use meter oh we need to use the meter that's why oh we need to use the meter okay I understand now that is the centimeters right centimeters 2 centimeters 2 meters you need to cm is cm 2 the fuck is cm อ่ะคูณ10 ลบ 2ทำไมกูได้เหี้ยเยอะจังวะทำไมกูไม่ได้ไงเอ๊ะกิโลคือตัด0 3ตัว1 2 3 1 2 3นี่กูได้เยอะกว่าหรือน้อยกว่าว่าเย็ดแม่พี่ครับช่วยหน่อยพี่
by the gravitational
เอ
acceleration
อมึงอ
of
ย่าพูดมากเย็ดแม่
9.8 meters of 1900 kilograms.
ทำไม
And
กด
that is
ไม่
the
ติดวะ
answer to this problem. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please consider subscribing or donating to my
ใค
Patreon,
รกด
as
ชิปอ
that'll
ยู่วะ
help me out in making more videos just like this. If you have a request for a future video, or a question about this one, leave a comment down below, and I hope you all have a lovely day. Bye bye.
Aw, you're so cute. Oh fuck, I'm gay. 1 1 2 1 2 Wait, I'm convert this to kilos. So kilos is 2 or 3 zeros? Kilos 3 zeros. 1 2 3. It should be 2. What? Okay. But isn't to like kilopascal? It's like fucking. First of all, I'll close Discord. Second, I'll close that. Yeah, 1.0. Yeah, understand. Kilopascal. Oh, not kilopascal, just kilo. kg. Okay. That is number 15. Well, to be honest, I'm lazy now. No, I cannot be lazy. I can take a nap, but like I won't wake up. Okay, please. This should do something. I need to add fucking water in it. Or else it's gonna be too shit. Yeah, it should be like something like this. Hmm. Sadly, this is. We add more hot water in. Please be hot. It's warmer. Okay. So a house at the bottom of the hill is fed by house at the bottom of the hill is fed by a full tank of water. I I I just don't understand how this works. House at the bottom of the hill. So we have a hill is like a mountain, and we have a house. It's fed by a tank of water. The fuck is a fed? Fed mean fed มันไม่ใช่ป้อนเหรอวะ Yeah, feed. Fed. Ah, a house at the bottom of a hill. Okay. Tell me how. Ew. That's a bug. Well, I'm drawing everywhere now. Without consent. Yes, I'm saving this. What the fuck does it save again? Physics. No. Don't say I can't find it. Oh, holy motherfucker. But I don't understand this, but maybe I need to read it. So a house at the bottom of the hill is fed by a tank of water. Oh, the house water is fed. Oh, 6 meter deep and connect to the house by the pipe. That is 75 meter long and what the fuck? Okay, so we have a house. Okay, so like a house, and we have like 61-degree pipes and like this is like fucking 6 meter deep connected by a pipe that is like 75 meter long. I hate this shit. So like 75 meter long should be like I should draw it with a black pen. This which this is 6 meter. That is 75 meter. This is 61 degree from horizontal. So okay, this is the main picture. We make it smaller. We put it like here. So determine water gas pressure at the house. So A P equal to what? P is equal to low G H. We have a degree. How the fuck do we solve a fucking degree? The teacher didn't teach me this shit. Okay, let's do what I can. The pressure is a low GH. We know that pressure is equals to I don't know what the density of water. So like 1 times 10 third cube. I got 9.81. And the height is like 6 feet deep, but but it's not like directly. It's. Do I need to? Fucking. Oh my God. I see something that I shouldn't see. Copy, paste, cop. I, I, I want to duplicate this shit. Cut, paste. I don't give a fuck about this. Okay, and this. If you do that, right, and you make it bigger, you can slowly to see that this, this is a fucking triangle. A fucking, a fucking right angle. This of the 61 de degree and deepness of 6. This is 75. Wait, but we have 75 already. Why? What the fuck are we finding though? I know it's not just put 75 and voila, so I'm just gonna look at the answer. So P is equals to P0. Wait, the ab absolute pressure can be found. Total force at the absolute pressure times the area of the bottom of the pool. Ugh. See my eye? You see my fucking eye? This mean fucking tiredness. You know, I'm fucking tired, man. The absolute pressure can be found. So pressure is equal to original pressure plus PGH. What the fuck is a 1.8? Okay. Ah, ah, I don't understand this shit again. Let me copy it. Let's go to fucking this again. Post. And it's vertically? It's from the horizontal, not vertical.
In this problem, we have a tank of water at the top of a hill, and we're looking to find the gauge pressure at.
It's on the top? What if you feel a tank of water? How did you know this is on the top of the hill? Like, 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 how the fuck did you know this is on the top of the hill? Please tell me how the fuck did you realize? Like, it's a house at the bottom of the hill. Like, this is a fucking, that's a hill. It's a house. It's fed by a tank of water 6 meter deep. I thought like 6 meter deep, not like 6 meter deep. You know, like Please be fucking specific if you want me to calculate shit. Oh, and 6 meter deep is not
The
that.
house
This is
from
6.
that.
I'm going fucking insane, man. Like, shh. I'm going fucking insane.
Tank of water. Now, the important thing to recall for this problem is that gauge pressure is dependent on vertical depth. Angle, like horizontal components, are not relevant when considering the magnitude of the pressure. The formula for gauge pressure, remember, is equal to the density of the fluid multiplied by the gravitational acceleration multiplied by the depth into the fluid that we're looking at. Really, the trickiest part of this problem is working out what this h value is because of the fact that the hill's at an angle. So we're going to need to do a little bit of trigonometry to figure out what that vertical depth actually is. Well,
I will not kill myself tonight, but will rather kill everyone who's making the fucking book that's not specify. Wow. No, I would not fucking draw this myself. I would just fucking get that and like get that shit and put that there. Like, what the fuck, man? Okay, let's see. Below, the lowest 1 time 10 third and 9.81. And we need to find it, right? So, so ソカとは opposite, 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 opposite hypotenuse. ไม่ดิ opposite hypotenuse ไซน์เพราะฉะนั้นแม่งก็คือไซน์61.75ถูกปะมึงไม่เห็นเขียนเลยวะยัดแม่อ่ะดูพี่เขาต่อดิ
we can see that there is a vertical depth of 6 meters coming from the tank itself.
ต้องบวก6อ่ะ
So that h depth is going to be 6 meters plus whatever the vertical height of the hill is. And so, doing some basic trigonometry here, we can see that the sine of the hill's angle is, remember, the sine is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. So the opposite length, which is the length that we are trying to discover, divided by the hypotenuse of.
โอ้มันหารกันเหรอ I've totally forgot how to use fucking sine, cos, and tan. Equal the fucking 75 plus 6. So get that 75, so sine 61 times 75 plus 6 is equal to all L.
75 meters. So that means that the total height from the top of the tank to the bottom of the hill where the house is 6 meters plus 75 times the sine of 61 degrees. So let's apply that to the formula for the gauge pressure. So the gauge pressure is equal to the density of the fluid, which is the density of water, or 1,000 kilograms per cubic meter, multiplied by the gravitational acceleration, 9.8 meters per second squared, then multiplied by the whole formula we just found for the depth. So 6 meters plus 75 meters times the sine of 61 degrees. If we put all of that into a calculator, then we find a gauge pressure of about 7 times 10 to the power of 5 newtons per meter squared. And so that is the answer to part A. The second part of the problem.
Don't spoil the fun. Man, don't spoil the fun, okay? I know that you're handsome as fuck, but don't spoil the fucking fun. The fuck? Okay, we'll make it small, but not, yeah. That is part A. Yeah, let's work on part B. So how high could the water shoot if it came vertically out of a broken pipe in front of the house? So you're asking me like the like the like like the fucking Hiroshima, like the how could the water shoot up if it came vertically? Shit, okay. So you know that now the pressure. So you know that now that is the pressure. Now the 7 times 10 5 is equals to low times gravitational force times maximum height, which is x. So get these, divide that, right? Is that
Asks
so?
what would happen if a vertical pipe out like that broke in front of the house were to start leaking. How high could the water shoot upwards? This is kind of a conceptual thing. The important thing to understand for this part of the problem is that since the water, even at the bottom of the hill, has the force from the water that came all the way up from the tank, then that means that if a pipe broke, it could shoot out, feasibly, it could shoot out as far high up as the tank itself. Granted, realistically, that might not happen because of
The fuck, for real?
stand for this part of the problem is that since the water, even at the bottom of the hill, has the force from the water that came all the way up from the tank, then that means that if a pipe broke, it could shoot out, feasibly, it could shoot out as far high up as the tank itself. Granted, realistically, that might not happen because of friction, but ignoring friction, we can expect that the water would be able to shoot right up to the very top of where the tank is. So in other words, the answer to part B is just the same value that we established for H. 6 plus 75 times the sine of 61 degrees.
Oh, that's why. Okay, so, oh, it's that one. Cause like, so, oh yeah, yeah. So like, 7 times 10 5, right? Goes through 1000 times 9.81. Or 29.
So let's just put this into a calculator if I can.
What? Not, not, whoa. What? It's literally the same thing. I just get that and put this to X. It's literally the same thing. Why the fuck did I get the answer of กูเขียนถูกไหมเนี่ย Oh มันอ่านเป็น 2.81 that's why. Let me erase it to 9. Oh, now it's 71. Okay. Okay. Got it. Oh shit, I really want to kill myself. Let's go to question 19. How high would a atmosphere how high would the atmosphere extend if it were of uniform density throughout it? Huh? I don't understand the question again. How high would the atmosphere extend? The fuck is an atmosphere? Okay, this shit is making me question all the English word. Atmosphere. Okay, I understand the atmosphere correctly. Now, how would atmosphere extend if it were a if it were of uniform density throughout, equal to half the percent of the density of the sea? About to come. Talking about the come. How high would the atmosphere extend? So changing H. Okay, so I don't give a fuck now. Let's try to do it, okay? So P is equals to low G H. Um, it's say extend, so changing H equals to P low 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 G. Uniformly density equal to half of the present density at sea level. I need to have like some research of this, right? Yeah, like I fucking give up again. Like I thought like almost every question like I I, I can do it, right? But then there's something surprisingly come up and then I cannot do it anymore. And that teacher is gone. I love that bro, but yeah, now
In this
fucking
problem, we
yes.
have
And that is the last question that he posed, right?
so this program is an interface for, I guess you could think of it as like a security system. So you can log in with a username and password. So we have a text file database with a bunch of different usernames and passwords that correspond to them. And when you log in, you can view different images. This is loading from a database of images, but you could hook them up to different cameras. One of them is connected to a webcam, and you can also configure that webcam and change the video modes. Now, something you can do is different users have a flag declaring whether or not they have administrator privileges.
This guy's fucking cool. Holy shit. How many videos that this guy fucking created? What the fuck? Oh my god, how long did this guy created shit? Oh, what?
What an old bitch. Just
No way. Oh, it's in the playlist. Oh, it's on his. Oh, damn, this guy is cool as fuck. But sadly, he's not posting the answer. So if administrative pressure were uniform, then the pressure at any height would be P equals to P0 minus that. What? Oh, yeah, so, oh, because the GH won't change. What? No, the H will change. No, when you go deeper, the height change. The low and the G, it's constant. Oh, that must be me like the fucking level. So P0 is equals to, that is the density of the water. 1 over 2. The fuck is that? 1.29 is, there's no number giving here. Oh, or density at sea level for real?1.25 km ยกกำลัง3ขึ้นเคยตัดเล็บกูอยู่ไหนวะขึ้นเคยตัดเล็บกูอ่ะเอ้ย Don't tell me that it's gone again. I'll kill myself. Shit, I think it's gone. I fucking think it's gone. Okay. Oh, and half of the density of the sea. Okay. The low of sea level is 1.225 1.225 so um so if height, so the pressure will be all the same. I still don't understand what the fuck are we finding this thing, like it's just nonsense. Like it's just nonsense. Like, I don't understand why the fuck are we finding this, right? Holy shit, number 21. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm going to pay right away. I'm going to pay right now. Like, what the fuck, man? I'm going to pay. And I'm gonna go boil some water, so, get that shit up. ฮึบกูทำกล้วยอะไรอยู่วะนี่มันจะตีสองไอ้เหี้ยอืมพาเลิศรถอืมโอ้ยเย็ดแม่โอ้โอ้โอ้โอ้ surface tension ของน้ำโอ้โอ้ไอสัตว์โอ้ surface tension ของน้ำแตกออกมาไอ้ห่ากูปิดฝาแน่นนะโอ้ยโอ้ยโอ้ยโอ้ยโอ้ย cannot break the surface tension โอ้ยน้ำหกน้ำหกเย็ดแม่อืมชาอร่อยอืมอ่ะต่อเพราะอะไรอะ เก็ตไหมเห็นแล้วท้อเลยว่ะเฮียพระจันทร์แม่งอยู่งั้นแล้วอะกูเห็นพระจันทร์แม่งแบบเดินทางอะโอเคกูอยากเอาหมอนไปโรงเรียนว่ะเย็ดแม่hydraulic press is compacting powder sample has a large cylinder which is 10 cm okay in diameter and a small cylinder with a diameter of 2 okay liver just small cylinder show that คิดไม่ออกกูจะลอกทุกอย่างลงหนังสือก่อนกันแล้วกันว่าตอนนี้คิดไม่ออกเดี๋ยวเพราะกูจะดู YouTube ไปด้วยเพราะฉะนั้นขอปิดนะดูหน้ากูไปกันแล้วกัน กูหลอนคุยอะไรของกูวะ โง่ไอ้เหี้ยนับวันยิ่งโง่ทำฟิสิกส์ยิ่งทำยิ่งโง่เอามาวะมีใช่ไหมหลอกแม่งไอ้เหี้ยกูไม่รู้เรื่องอะไรไอ้สัตว์ไปทำมาเริ่มทำไม่รู้เรื่องอะโอ้ยเหี้ยเป็นไอ้แจ็คเหี้ยเนี่ยกูไม่อยากเรียนกับไอ้แจ็คเหี้ยเนี่ย
Welcome to my channel. I'm Zhang Jingxu. Let's look at the problem 20 in chapter 13. Chapter 13 is about fluids. We can see for this hydraulic press, and we need to find the force the sample act on the system, right? So in this one, we can see what is given. The given is the force F act as there, the D1 and D2. So this is D2, this is D1. Okay, and the cross-sectional A and there. So how can we do that? So we need to find the pressure for this sample. First thing we need to find the force for the sample, right? The force for the sample must equal to F2 because this sample is balanced as there. So if we want to find F2, we need to look at the F1. So F2 and F1, what is equal? The pressure, right? The pressure is equal for them.
ฟังไอ้หาเหี้ยนี่บ่นไล่สัตว์เจ๊กไอ้เหี้ยอ่านเองก็ได้วะไม่อยากฟังเจ๊กแม่งบ่นไอ้ห่าให้ไอ้ไฮดรอลิกเพรสเนี่ยมันจะมี large cylinder ก็คือไอ้เหี้ยเนี่ยเป็นไฮดรอลิกฟลูดเป็นไฮดรอลิกฟลูดซึ่งก็จะดันอันนี้ดันเข้ามาใช่ปะแล้วทีนี้แม่งก็จะกดขึ้นไปเนี่ยอันนี้ก็คือ sample ที่ถูกกดซึ่งมันก็จะมีไอ้ cylinder ที่มันมีสองนี้ซึ่ง lever is attached to a small cylinder as shown ก็คือเฮียนี่ the sample which placed on the large cylinder is 4 okay what is the pressure on this sample if 320 Newton is applied to the lever so เขาถามว่า pressure มันเท่าไหร่ so เอางี้คือเรารู้ว่าไอ้ pressure เนี่ย pressure 0จะเท่ากับ pressure 1ถูกปะซึ่ง P ก็จะเท่ากับนี่เราก็จะเป็น below GH for this one จะเท่ากับ low GH for the other one so the low GH okay let's say the small and the big the small low GH the low of the hydraulic fluid it should be the same Alright. okay เราต้องหาก่อนว่า pressure อันนี้คืออะไรแล้วก็โอเคเราต้องรู้ก่อนเพราะฉะนั้นเราต้องรู้ pressure ก่อนถ้าเรารู้ pressure ก็คือ P ก็เท่ากับ F ส่วน A ใช่ปะซึ่งก็จะเท่ากับไอ้ low GH ซึ่งเรารู้แล้วว่า force เนี่ยคือ320นิวตันไปตรง2ซิลินเดอร์ที่มีขนาดทั้งหมด2 cm จะเท่ากับ low ที่เป็นเท่าไหร่ไม่รู้ T ที่เป็น 9.81 แล้ว height เป็น2เหรอ area เป็นเท่าไหร่วะไม่รู้อ่ะดูดูเยแบบข้อเหี้ยนี่ข้อ21คุยอะไรเนี่ยทอร์กของ F ไม่อยากทำแล้วไอ้เหี้ยกูไม่อยากทำแล้วอ่ะแต่ลองทำดูอ่ะกูลองทำดู area pressure เท่ากับ force กับ area area เนี่ยแม่งคือแค่นี้แม่งคือขนาด2 cm งั้นก็น่าจะเป็นแค่2อย่าอ้าว FA งั้นเราก็รู้แล้วนี่ว่ามันคือเท่านี้แล้วเราก็สามารถหา คือยังไงเราต้องหาไอเหี้ยเนี่ยนะก็x อ่ะเอาอ่ะส320320หาร200 160หาร9.81คูณ2 19.6260หาร19.62นะไอโลแม่งเท่ากับ8.15ถ้าโลเท่ากับ8.15ใช่ไหมเรามาดูนี้ก็ pressure เนี่ยก็จะเท่ากับส่วน A F ส่วน A ก็ rho GS ไอ้ rho GS เนี่ยเฮียคือจริงๆเราไม่ต้องมีเฮียนี้ก็ก็ก็ได้นะแล้วก็มีแม่งก็เป็น P แต่เราคือตรงเนี้ยต้องมีอันเนี้ยมึงไม่ต้องมีก็เรารู้หมดละก็8.15คูณ9.81คูณ height อันนี้คือ10 8.15คูณ9.81คูณ10 799เฮียถูกป่ะผิดน่านไม่799มันผิดตรงไหนกูว่ามันผิดตรงนี้ผิด area แล้วเราต้องใช้ไอ้เล้งที่นี่ทำคูณอะไรสักอย่าง f 2อันนี้ลบ f 1เท่ากับ0 f 1เท่ากับ2f ไม่เข้าใจกูไม่เข้าใจเลยเหยียดแม่กูดิชทุกอย่างแล้วไปนอนเลยดีไหมเนี่ยดูก่อนว่ากูดิชได้ไหมเพราะถ้านอนตอนนี้ใช่ปะ2 3 4 5 6 4 ชั่วโมงไหวปะวะไหวอยู่มั้งดูข้อต่อไป23เหรอต้อง23เริ่มหาโบแยนจริงๆควรจะเริ่มทำ23เดี๋ยว22ไปลอกอ่ะเดี๋ยว22ลอกเลยไม่ดิ21ลอกเลย21ลอกเลย เหนื่อยว่ะเย็ดแม่ 23สักทีวะ เราได้มาโบยันซี่ไอ้เหี้ยเอามา รอดก็รอด ไม่รอดก็ให้มันรู้ไป What fraction of a piece of an iron will be submerged? What fraction of a piece of iron will be submerged when it float in mercury? กูเปิดดูโบยันซี่ฟอสขอดูโบยันซี่ก่อน ไม่แน่ใจโบยันคือมึงก็ต้องหาโบยันนะไอ้เหี้ยเน็กมึงหนักเท่าไหร่กูต้องการอะไรหาบ้างโบยันเท่ากับ mg โล gv มีขั้วอะไรบ้างวะโบยันเท่ากับ m feg ซึ่ง low hg คือขั้วอะไรวะ down floating and therefore 0.0 force must be equal to the weight if the iron is floating then the net force on it is 0 the buoyant force on the iron must be equal to its weight. Okay, that is smart. The buoyant force is equal to the weight of the mercury displayed in the submerged iron. So the buoyance must be equal to mg. Yeah, and the totally don't understand this shit. ขอร้องละพี่คนนั้นอธิบายยังไม่เอากูไม่เอาไอ้เจ๊กอะเนี่ยไอ้เฮียไอ้เจ๊กเฮียเนี่ยไม่อยากเรียนกับไอ้เจ๊กหานี่เลย
Welcome to my channel. I'm Zhang Jingxu. Let's look at the problem 26 in chapter 13. Chapter 13 is about fluids. We can see in this problem we have the object. It is a piece of iron, right? And then will be submerged when it floats in the miracles. So we need to find the fraction of the volumes be submerged in this miracle. So in this case, we can see if the iron, the object can just can be stationary, just float along the surface of the miracle. The force must be balanced, right? So buoyant force must equal to gravity. This F equal to mg. This F equal to mg, right? And this F we know is rho gv. And then what is rho? This is the density of this
กูฟังไอ้ห่านี่พูดไม่นานไม่ได้กูอยากฆ่าตัวตายนะก็คือเรารู้ละว่า FB มันมันเท่ากับ mg เว้ยถ้าลบกันแม่งต้องได้ศูนย์ซึ่งซึ่ง FB ก็เท่ากับ rho gh rho gh คูณ a อะไรคือไพลอน
liquid miracle. And also, what is this V? This V is this part. It is the volumes replaced. The volumes of the miracle replaced by this arrow object, right? So this is V submerged times G. So this force is there. Now can we find the gravity for this object? Sure. This gravity comes from the mass of this iron object. So it's density of the metal iron times the volume V. So now we input
มึงแพร่มคุยอะไรของมึงวะอะไรวะเขาไม่มีตัวเลขมาให้มึงแล้วมึงเนี่ยไอ้โลของ FE มึงคือมึงเอามาจากไหนอะแต่มึงเอาโลของ FE มาจากไหนอะเก็ตปะแบบกูนอนเลยดีไม่ได้เฮียแบบกูไปนอนละแบบช่างหัวแม่งอะช่างมันข้ามถ้า25แม่งยัง bullshit อยู่นะอือฮึ27อือฮึกูฆ่าตัวตายแล้ว กูจะจัดกูจัดกูจะจัดห้องแล้วกูจะบ่นให้มึงฟังว่าเฮียคือบางทีคือกูชอบฟิสิกส์นะเว้ยกูขอบอกเลยว่ากูเป็นคนชอบฟิสิกส์มากเพราะว่ามันได้ใช้ลอจิกแบบ coding logic อะแบบลอจิกที่1 2 3แล้วเหมือนเอาไปแบบแก้ puzzle อะ like มึงแก้แล้วมันสนุกดีอะแต่ปัญหาคือบางทีอะถ้าเสริม1นะถ้าเสริมมึงไม่สอนน่ะกูก็ทำไม่ได้เว้ย คือกูไม่รู้ว่ากูต้องทำยังไงจริงๆคือกูหมดหนทางแล้วแบบกลายว่ากูต้องมาให้ไอ้ยูทูบสอนใช่เปล่าแล้วในยูทูบอะโอเคแม่งมีพี่คนนั้นนี่เป็นครั้งแรกที่กูเจอพี่คนนั้นปกติกูจะเจอไอ้เจ๊กเฮี้ยเนี่ยไอ้ชื่อโฉเฮี้ยแม่งอะคือพอกูเจอไอ้เจ๊กเฮี้ยเนี่ยเจ๊กเฮี้ยนี่แม่งคือแม่งไม่คือมึงเห็นแม่งพูดแพร่มเหี้ยอย่างงี้ใช่เปล่าแม่งไม่คือแม่งไม่อธิบายเว้ยคือฟังแม่งพูดอะ equivalent to แบบ แบบดูหนังสือเองอะคือแม่งพูดไม่มีประโยชน์เว้ยแม่งเหมือนแม่งอ่านหนังสือให้เราฟังเฉยๆอะมึงอ่านจากหนังสือก็ได้เว้ยถ้าจะให้แบบถ้าจะทำอย่างนั้นน่ะจริงๆถ้ามึงฟังไอ้แจ็คเฮี้ยนี่พูดอะมึงไปอ่านหนังสือเหอะไอ้เหี้ยมึงได้ใจความเท่ากันน่ะมึงไม่มีเหี้ยดีกว่านั้นเลยอะคือแบบโง่ไอ้เหี้ยฟังยิ่งโง่ไอ้สัตว์ฟังแล้วควายแดกเย็ดแม่โง่ชิบหายแปลว่าเนี่ย กูชอบฟิสิกส์มาก แต่ว่าฟิสิกส์ต้องมาตายเพราะเหี้ยอย่างเงี้ยแล้วกูก็ต้องเสียเวลายันตี 2กว่ามันนั่งทำควยอะไรอย่างเงี้ยมันโอ้เหี้ยมันปัญญาอ่อนชิบหายคือแบบแม่งโง่อะแม่งโง่โง่ขั้นสุดอะโง่ขั้นเหี้ยกูไม่รู้กูจะ describe ยังไงอะไม่งเหี้ยจริงๆ อย่างที่กูบอกก็คือกูชอบฟิสิกส์นะคือกูรู้สึกว่าฟิสิกส์เป็นสิ่งสนุกแต่ว่าตอนอังเคอสอนแม่งไม่สนุกไงเพราะว่าแม่งไม่ interesting คือไม่คือมันไม่ใช่แม่งไม่ interesting คือมัน interesting แต่มึงไม่สอนน่ะแบบสมมุติว่ามึงเอานะมึงเอาเกมให้เด็กเล่นอะแล้วแบบเด็กแม่งแบบเชี่ยเกมแม่งโคตรสนุกเลยว่ะอยากเล่นเกมว่ะแล้วอยู่ๆมึงก็แบบโอเคเอ่อกูไม่สอนมึงเล่นแล้วแล้วเกมแม่งมันแบบ คือมันไม่ใช่แบบ Minecraft ที่มึงค่อยๆเรียนเองมันไม่ใช่ Valo ที่ที่แบบเล่นไปเรื่อยๆแล้วมึงจะเก่งเก่งเองแต่มันเป็นแบบลองนึกสภาพว่าแม่งเป็นแบบ I don't know like Dark Souls อะแล้วไม่มีใครสอนมึงเลยไม่มีใครสอนว่า dodge กดเหี้ยอะไรอะคือมึงเล่น Dark Souls แบบไม่มี tutorial อะแบบมึงเข้าไปแล้วมึงเล่นเลยอะแบบแม่งมันฟีลนั้นน่ะเออไปแล้วไอ้เหี้ยเจอกันนะครับผม